Fashion Mall is a 5 billion baht shopping mall in Pratunam, Bangkok, which specializes in fashion clothes and accessories, retail and wholesale. Platinum Fashion Mall is large, relatively new, 6-story air-conditioned building with numerous of small shops, mainly selling women's clothing, shoes, handbags, and fashion accessories. Platinum Mall is like an indoor version of Chatuchak Weekend Market. It specializes in wholesale fashion clothing and accessories with 4 floors of shopping spaces packed with some 1,300 shops. Meanwhile, Iconsiam is a mixed-use development on the banks of the Chao Phraya River in Bangkok, Thailand. Iconsiam is within the top 10 Asia biggest malls. The Iconsiam shopping mall has been called the mother of malls. It already has several prestigious awards to its name, such as the MAPIC Award for Best Shopping Center in the world and the World Retail Awards for Outstanding Store Design in 2019. One of the 7 wonders of Iconsiam and considered as Southeast Asia's largest water fountain show. It has become one of the most attractive tourist spots in Iconsiam where visitors need to take photographs. A water fountain show that stretches more than 400 meters with a picturesque backdrop of the Chao Phraya River. The beauty of the fountain will mesmerize anyone who watches it.